What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have a Mazda 6 over here, and I want to show you guys the location of AC fuse and few things you can check on this car if your AC is not working. First of all, your AC compressor is all the way in the bottom, and you can see it from right here if the AC compressor engages or doesn't engages. Okay, so it's the pulley all the way in the bottom, all the way down there. Anyways, to check if your AC is working or not, you could do a few things before you knock out the AC compressor, before you even determine it's a bad AC compressor. Right here, we have a low pressure. I'm sorry, it says H. I don't know why it says H. Okay, yeah, this is a high pressure line. All right, so we're not gonna mess with this. Let me see if I could locate the low pressure. It might be somewhere underneath here, and I might not want to take this apart. Okay, I see AC pressure switches down there, but I do not see I do see an AC low side is there. But what you can do is you can simply open this up. What you want to do is, you see there's a little pin inside here, just a small pin inside, and all you do is you push in on that. Okay, this is a very high pressure. There you go. So this has pressure. You do want to check for pressure if you have pressure in the system, and we do have pressure. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is check the AC fuse, which is on the inside the car. So what you're gonna do is, you do need to go inside the vehicle here. If you have a test light, what you can do is you open this cover up right here. There's like a little slot right here. You put your finger in there, you pop this open, and inside it's gonna tell you all the AC, all the fuses. So there's the AC fuse right there. It says AC on it, the one right there by my nail. So if you look at the fuses in a certain manner, this thing will give you the fuses. And let's see, if you look at it like this, see there's a 5 amp. It says mirror 5 amp. That's the fuse right here. We have a 5 amp and a 5 amp. So if you look at it just like that, if you hold it like that, the fuses are in same order. So you have a 5 amp and a 5 amp. So that's a 5 amp and that's a 5 amp. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for this AC fuse. It's the second row. So pretty much it's a middle row. So you have 3 rows. You have actually 4 rows. Just ignore this one. You have 3 rows. So pretty much one second row. It's the third fuse. There's one missing here. So this is the third fuse. This is your AC fuse, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your test light. Let me ground this here. So, and you do need to have, okay, this is a push start, so I need to push this button. Let me start the car up. So the car has to be running. Your AC has to be on. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your test light. You see that? If you check on one side of it and then also the other side, your light should illuminate. So I'm gonna check one side and then I'm gonna check the other side of the fuse. So that's a 10 amp fuse. So if your fuse is blown, all you do is you pull it with the tweezer and you put a new fuse in, and that's how simple it is, okay, to change a fuse on this vehicle. So those are the 2 things you're gonna check, and your AC should be nice and cold. If everything is good, if that fuse is bad, it will come on. And also, I want you to pay attention. These fans should come on, okay? Both of the fans should come on. If both of your fans come on and your compressor all the way in the bottom does not engage, that's just a sign that you do have a bad AC compressor. But do check power into the AC compressor before you determine anything. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.